Jai Hind, dear students. I hope so you have gone through all the previous questions that we have discussed. In this video, we will learn how to solve question number 5 of exercise 8.2. In question number 5 of this exercise, there are 5 parts. We need to find the whole quantity if percentage of an unknown quantity is given and we need to find what's that unknown quantity. Like in first part, 5% of unknown quantity is given 600. We need to find that particular number. So we can solve each parts using two slightly different ways, using an equation approach or using an proportion approach. So basically we will try to solve all these parts using both approaches. So let's start. For part 1, we have 5% of unknown quantity and that is given as 600. So let me assume the unknown quantity as x. So we can write 5% of x is equals to 600, right? In the place of that unknown quantity, we have assumed it as x. So 5 upon 100 into x will be equal to 600. Correct? Basically, we need to find the value of x, and in this way we can find the whole quantity. So 5 and 100 can be reduced 1 upon 20, and 20 will transpose to the right side so that we can get the value of x. So x is equals to 12,000. So 12,000 is the whole quantity. If we will find 5% of 12,000, we will get 600. Now let's solve by proportion approach. So basically 5% of a particular quantity is given as 600, right? We need to find for 100%. So 100% of that quantity be x, right? So 5% correspond to 600 and 100% correspond to x. So can we write as 5% ratio to 100% will be 600 is to x, right? Now if you will see how we can write as, so 5 upon 100 is equals to 600 upon x, right? And we need to find the value of x. So we will first reduce it and then we will transpose. So x value will be directly written as 20 into 600, that is equals to 12,000. It means that 12,000 is the whole quantity. So 5% of 12,000 is 600. So there are two approaches by which we can solve this type of questions. So let's move to part B. In part B, it is given that 12% of unknown quantity is 1080. So let's assume that unknown quantity be x. So how we are going to write it? 12% of x is equals to, or we can take rupees x is equals to rupee 1080, right? 12 upon 100 will be written in the place of 12% into x is equals to 1080. Now if you will see, we can reduce also or transpose also. So if you will reduce, we can get 12 times 1 is 12 and this will be reduced by 12 and here we will get 90, right? This 100 will be transposed to this side and finally x answer is equals to 90 into 100, that is 9,000. It means that 12% of 9,000 is rupees 1080. Let's solve by proportion approach. So 12% of something is correspond to 1080 rupees. Now 100% correspond to x, rupee x, right? So basically now we can form a proportion. So 12% is to 100%, same quantity will be same side will be equal to 1080 is to x, right? Now we can write as 12 upon 100 is equals to 1080 upon x. Right? Now this will be cancelled out by 90, and after transposing x and 100 we will see that the final result is 9000. So x is equals to, or that unknown quantity is equals to 9000. What it means? It means that 12% of 9000 is 1080. So the whole quantity is 9000. Let's move to part C. In part C, we need to find 40% of an unknown quantity is 500 kilometer, and we need to find that unknown quantity. Again, let us assume as x. So 40% of x kilometer is given as 500 kilometer, right? So now 40% can be written as 40 by 100 into x, that will be equal to 500. Now 0 will be cancelled out by 0, and after reducing it will be 2 and 5. So 2, let's transpose 2 and 5 now. So 5 will be multiplied by 500 and 2 will be divided by 500 into 5. So what will be the answer of x? X will be equals to 500 into 5, that is 2500, divided by 2 will result 1250. Now let's solve by proportion approach. 40% is correspond to 500 kilometer. So whole quantity 100% correspond to x. We don't know that value, that has to be find kilometer. So let's form in proportion. 40 percentage is to 100 percentage will be equal to 500 kilometer is to x kilometer, right? So it can be now written as 40 divided by 100, which will be equal to 500 divided by x. Now 0 will be cancelled out by 0 and 2 and 5 will be left. On transposing, we will see that 2x is equals to 2500 and x can be directly written as 1250 kilometers. So that unknown quantity is 1250 kilometer. It means that 40% of 1250 kilometer is 500 kilometer. Let's move to part D. In part D, again we need to find the unknown quantity whose 70% is 14 minutes. So let us assume x. So 70% of x is equals to 14 minutes, right? So unknown quantity is x minutes. Now 70% can be written as 70 by 100 into x, that is equals to 14 minutes. Now if you will see, 0 will be cancelled out by 0 and 10 will transpose to this side and 7 will be transposed to this side. So 140 divided by 7 will be equal to 70, or you can write 7, 0 and 0 will be cancelled out, it will gives you 20, or you can divide it by 2, it's totally up to you. So it means that we have got the unknown quantity as 20 minutes. Now let's move to proportion approach. 70% correspond to 14 minutes, so 100% corresponds to unknown quantity, that is x minutes, right? So let's write in the proportion form. 70% is to 100%, that will be equal to 4 minutes is to x minutes. Now let's write in the form of 70 upon 100 will be equal to 14 upon x. Now if you will see, again we can do 0 and 0 will be cancelled out and 10 will be transposed, which will directly equal to 20. It means that 20 minutes is the unknown quantity. 70% of 20 minutes is 14 minutes, and this is the whole quantity. Let's move to the last part. In this part, it is given that 8% of unknown quantity is 40 liters. Let us take that unknown quantity as x liters. So how we are going to write it? 8% of x is equals to 40 liters. And this means that 8 by 100 into x liter is equals to 40 liter. So 100 will transpose to this side and 8 will transpose to this side. So directly we can write x is equals to 4000 divided by 100, which results in 8 5 times, and directly we can multiply. Therefore x result is 500, which is liters. So 500 liter is the whole quantity. Let's do for proportion approach. 8% corresponds to 40 liters, right? So 100% the whole quantity correspond to x liter, that we don't know. Writing in proportion form, 8% is to 100% is equals to 40 is to x liters, and that can be written as 8 upon 100 is equals to 40 upon x. And if we will transpose this, directly we can write as x value is equals to 500, as we have solved in the equation approach. So that unknown quantity is 500, and we can say that 8% of 500 is 40 liters. I hope so you have understood, and if not, please go through the video again. And in this way we will solve this question of exercise 8.2. We will learn more in our next class. Till then, take care and thank you.